Welcome dear students. We were dealing with the tenses. Already we have covered up two parts of present tense, that is present indefinite and present continuous. Today we are going to learn about present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is used to indicate an action which has been finished very recently in the near past, just now. ओके जो काम अभी अभी फिनिश हुआ है, दो इट बिगेन इन पास्ट, एनी वर्क विच बिगेन इन पास्ट but has been finished just now will be indicated in present perfect tense. The helping verbs used in this tense are has and have, will be always followed with by V3. Has will be used with he, she, it, singular third person or any name. And if you talk about have will be used with first person singular I, first person plural we, second person singular and plural, that is you, third person plural they, and other plural numbers. Let us proceed with the rule for making affirmative, simple or assertive sentences. The rule is, at first subject will be coming, it will be followed by has oblique have according to the subject, that is known as subject verb agreement. According to the subject, verb and helping verb will be used, plus third form of the verb plus object. For example, I have taken my lunch. I have taken my lunch. So I is the first person singular, will be followed by helping verb have, followed with by V3 and object. If we take other example, that is I have finished, I have completed my homework just now. I have completed my homework just now. The gardener has watered the plants. The gardener has watered the plants. So you can make numerous examples, numerous sentences if you are well versed with the rule of assertive sentences. Next is example is she has received the letter, means she has already received the letter which was posted to her, means this work has already been finished. And similar thing happened in the first sentence also. I have taken my lunch means I have finished my lunch already, I am no more continuing this action. Okay, so if we talk about negative sentences, then the rule will be subject plus helping verb, that is has oblique have, plus note plus V3 plus object. Dear students, never forget to put note just after helping verb. That is the point you need to keep in your mind always. Examples, I have not taken my lunch. So first person singular, have, helping verb, not, taken my lunch. So always V3 will be used in perfect tenses. Let it be present perfect, past perfect or future perfect. In all these parts, always third form of the verb will be used. There should be not an iota of confusion. Next sentence is she has not received the letter. So the same sentence or the same sentences have been negativized. They have been formed in negative sense. Our next part is interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentences, as you know, that helping verb is put at the beginning, thereafter subject, followed by V3, that is third form of the verb, followed by object, and at last we will put sign of interrogation. Example, have I taken my lunch? Have I finished my homework? Has he returned my car? Or has he returned your money? Has he received the letter? So this is the format and the rule how to make a sentence interrogative. That is known as transformation. We have transformed simple sentence into negative, simple sentence into interrogative. And now we are going to learn about interrogative negative, that is a sentence which is interrogative as well as negative. For example, if we talk about this sentence, has she received the letter? If we transform it into interrogative negative, then it will become has she not received the letter? Okay, has she not received the letter? So the formula will be helping verb plus subject plus negative means not plus V3 plus object, and here also we will put sign of interrogation. Okay, so there are some uses of present perfect tense. There are certain words and mainly they are time adverbs with which we will always use present perfect tense, right? Let us know which are those words. Words like already, recently, just now, okay, so far, yet, ever, before, till or till now. जहाँ भी ये वर्ड्स आते हैं जिस सेंटेंस में, we will always use present perfect tense. Examples, and as you know, so far, yet, they are used in negative sense to make a negative sentence, and ever is used in interrogative sentences. Examples, she has not received the reached the station yet. She has not reached the station yet. So we have used yet in negative sentence. Have you ever seen the Taj? Have you ever, क्या आपने कभी भी ताज देखा है? So have you ever seen the Taj? I have already taught the lesson. And let us make other sentences. Let us use other words also in present perfect tense. Already we have done. I have already finished my lunch. I have recently completed my homework. He has reached home just now. He has just finished his task. So far, we have completed our 2 parts of present tense so far. Okay, अभी तक हमने 2 पार्ट फिनिश कर दिए, कंप्लीट कर दिए. Yet means he has not come yet to my home. Ever already we have before, with before also, but before is used in past tense, right? In past tense, that is, in present perfect tense we will be using it as just an hour before I have finished my lunch, or just an hour before I have completed my today's work. So this time adverb can be used in past indefinite as well as present perfect. Dear students, there is one more use of present perfect tense, that is when some non-progressive verbs are used with time reference. In that case, as you know that time reference is used for present perfect continuous, that is perfect continuous tenses, where since and for is used with point of time and period of time. But here there are some non-progressive verbs, the verbs which indicate about non-progress of an action. They are like no. No is a non-progressive verb. Own, okay, ownership of something, having something. Own is a non-progressive verb, means आपने कुछ पहले ले लिया है, कुछ खरीद लिया है, it belongs to you only. Okay, it belongs to you. आप किसी को जानते हैं, you know him, not knowing him. It is not a continuous process or a continuous action. So in that case also we use present perfect tense. Always keep in mind, we will never use know in continuous form, that is knowing. We can never use ing form of this verb know, right? कभी भी know को हम knowing use नहीं करेंगे. Example is, he has known me for 10 years. I have known him for 5 years. Okay, I have known him for 5 years. He has known me for 10 years. So here for is used. For 10 years means time reference. Time reference, okay, period of time is used, but the action is not progressive. Okay, the action is not progressive. We will never use ing here. That is, he has knowing me for 10 years. That will be wrong. She has owned a car. She has owned a car since 2010. 2010 से उसने एक कार, उसके पास एक कार है. Own means ownership, possession. So here also this own verb is not progressive. We can never use in owing form. Okay. So इसके साथ भी हमेशा हम present perfect tense with time reference use करेंगे. That is point of time or period of time. Here this is point of time. A fixed timing or a particular timing, certain timing is used. 2010 से, so fixed timing के लिए हम use करते हैं since. Next is present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense is always used to indicate an action which began in past but it is still continuing. Okay, began in past but still going on. Still going on. कोई काम पास्ट में स्टार्ट हुआ लेकिन अभी भी चल रहा है, राइट? अभी भी चल रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई से आई हैव बीन टीचिंग यू फॉर लास्ट 40 मिनट्स. सो 40 मिनट्स पहले मैंने टीचिंग स्टार्ट किया और अभी भी टीचिंग चल रही है. दिस इज ए वर्क विच बिगेन इन पास्ट बट इज स्टिल प्रोग्रेसिंग. ओके, इट इज स्टिल प्रोग्रेसिव. So in that case perfect continuous tenses are used, and now we are talking about present perfect continuous tense. So in affirmative sentences the format will be like subject plus has been oblique have been. Okay, helping verb will be has been oblique have been plus V1 with ing form. verb की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ ing लगेगा, प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस since oblique for, that is point of time or period of time. Okay, this is the rule for affirmative sentences. Now what is point of time and what is period of time? Since will be used for point of time and for will be used for period of time. Now dear students, period of time is a time period, a duration. 2 hours, we don't know that 2 hours हम अभी की बात कर रहे हैं और 4 hours बिफोर 2 hours की जो बात कर रहे हैं या yesterday की बात कर रहे हैं. सो इन दैट केस a certain periodicity is given but exact time reference is not given. That is known as period of time. Point of time is exact point reference or exact time reference is given. For example, since 2010, since 2005, year, it will be point of time. Day, that is since Monday, since Sunday, day will be point of time. Time itself, that is since 11 o'clock, 11 a.m., 9 p.m. Okay, 11 a.m., 9 p.m., that is time. time will also come under the category of point of time. Then morning, evening, noon. With these also we will use since. I have been teaching since morning. He has been working in the fields since morning, right? So with morning, evening and noon also we will use since, that is point of time. So let us know about some examples. She has been working on a new project for 2 hours. She has been working on a new project for 2 hours. For, because this 2 hours is a period of time, there is no certainty given about which 2 hours the speaker is talking about. कौन से 2 hours के बारे में बात कर रहा है ये यहाँ पे नहीं दिया गया है. That's why we will be using for. My brother has been watering the plants since morning. Okay, she has been stitching the clothes since morning. I have been living in Delhi since 2010. So this is the use, how we will use since and for, and what is point of time and what is period of time. I hope it is clear to all of you. In negative sentences, the formula will be, that is subject will come at first, has, have plus not plus been. Dear students, it is little bit complicated in keeping in mind, because some students frequently commit this mistake. They use been before not, whereas the formula says that after helping verb has or have, not will be used. Thereafter been plus V1 with ing plus object plus since oblique for, that is point of time and period of time after that. Okay, so let us know by the help of the example. She has not been working on a new project for 2 hours. Okay, or you can say he has not been learning his lesson for last 1 hour. She has not been working in the kitchen for last 10 days due to her illness. You can give the reason also. Okay, so after subject has oblique have according to the subject. Thereafter not. Generally not is used after helping verb, but here there are two helping verb, that is has is used with the been, so not will come it in between the two. हैज और बीन के बीच में नोट आएगा, ये आपको माइंड में रखना है वर्किंग होने पर. नेक्स्ट इज माई ब्रदर हैज़ नॉट बीन वाटरिंग द प्लांट्स सिंस मॉर्निंग. हैज़ नॉट बीन. ओके, interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, as you know that helping verb is used in the beginning of the sentence, so has oblique have plus subject followed by been plus V1 with ing plus object plus since oblique for plus period of time or point of time, and at last we will never forget to put sign of interrogation. Like examples, has she been working on a new project for 2 hours? Has my brother been watering the plants since morning? There are the uses. Or before that, we can also make one more sentence, that is one more formula for interrogative negative. Interrogative negative. For example, has she not been working on a new project for 2 hours? So has she, it will become helping verb plus subject plus negative, that is not, plus been plus V1 with ing plus object plus since oblique for and then point of time or period of time and sign of interrogation, right? So this will be the format for interrogative negative sentences. There are uses of present perfect continuous tense to show cause of a result. To show cause of a result. For example, I am tired. I have been working since morning. I am tired. This is the result. Okay. So what was the cause of this result? The cause was that मैं सुबह से काम कर रहा हूँ. I have been working since morning. So I am tired. Next is, we have missed our movie. It has been raining for 3 hours. Okay, we have missed our movie. This is the result, means हमने अपनी मूवी मिस कर दी है. रीज़न क्या था इसका? कॉज क्या था? कॉज वाज दैट इट हैज़ बीन रेनिंग फॉर 3 hours. 3 घंटे से बारिश हो रही थी. दैट इज द रीजन. सो लेट अस डिस्कस सम एक्सरसाइज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Dear students, the first example is, in the movie we just the most extraordinary scene. In the movie we have just seen the most extraordinary scene. In the movie we have just seen, or yes, in the movie we have just seen the most extraordinary scene. This is the best book I have ever read. So please put this time adverb just before the verb. Okay, don't just write here read. Sentence will be wrong. This is the best book I have ever read. How long you, that is, how long have you known him? How long have you known him? Because how long के बाद में आप लगाएंगे helping verb have, subject thereafter you, and object. How long have you known him? This is the non-progressive verb. That's why we have used here time adverb. Time reference is given. There are no taxis available because the drivers have gone on strike lately. Vinay blank the punctured tire of this car yet. So जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, lately, yet, recently, just now, ever, इन हाउ लॉन्ग, इन सब के साथ में हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का यूज करेंगे. विनय हैव मेंडेड, विनय दैट इज नॉट हैव, विनय हैज. ओके, दिस इज नेम ऑफ समबडी, सो सिंगुलर. विनय हैज मेंडेड द पंक्चर्ड टायर ऑफ हिज car yet, but here yet is used. So dear students, it will be used in negative sense. Okay, Vinay has not mended the punctured car. Vinay has not mended the punctured tire of his car yet. Okay, so not mended, this will be the right option. Just take the screenshot of this exercise and please try to fill in these blanks according to your level of understanding, and let me assess your knowledge, how far you have attained it in understanding the tenses. And there is one more exercise. Okay, you do this one only. Thank you. Have a nice day.